Arcards just dropped Prompt to AI Actor. You can now generate videos with actors who actually look, sound, and feel real. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works and how you can create your AI actors.
I am excited to introduce Prompt to AI Actors. I can be at the beach, but I can also be in the snow. I can even be holding a cup of coffee. So go create your own AI actor today on arcards.ai.
Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we share everything about AI and online tools that will help you streamline your daily workflow. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now and don't hesitate to like and share this video. Also, ensure you turn on the notification for more content. Now let's proceed. To create your AI actor with Arcards, simply follow the link in the description of this video to their website. Then, click Login or Sign Up. Sign up with your Gmail or any other email and click Continue. Once you are on your dashboard, type your prompt or add reference image if you like. Go ahead and edit the actor. Change their clothes, hair, setup, or even the lighting. You can have them hold your product from an image. Let's see the result.
I'm AI generated, but I look real, right?
Let's see other examples.
Designate.
Sure.
These my dollars make it hurt.
That's it. You can start creating your AI actors now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.